How to get HBO Max on Samsung Smart TV. You want to stream HBO Max on your Samsung Smart TV. Here's how to set it up quickly and easily. First of all, ensure your Samsung Smart TV is from 2016 or later. HBO Max is available on Samsung TVs released from 2016 onwards. Now, make sure your TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. Navigate to and select the Apps section. Use the search function to find HBO Max or simply Max. Select the HBO Max app from the search results. Now click on Install to download the app. Once installed, open the app. If you already have an HBO Max account, select Sign in and enter your credentials. But if you're new, choose Subscribe now and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account and subscribe. If your TV model doesn't support the HBO Max app, you can cast content from your smartphone or tablet using Chromecast or AirPlay. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Now you're ready to enjoy HBO Max on your Samsung Smart TV. Dive into your favorite shows and movies, and thanks for watching.